what's the main takeaway? What's the so what? Why are we looking at this visualization? One of the biggest pitfalls, if you're making a visualization, is assuming that everybody will see it the way that you do. And this is an example of a pre-attentive attribute, because pre-attentive attributes signal where to look. So one of the first tips is to use color sparingly, because when everything is different, nothing stands out. If you don't offer any visual cues to people, what they will do most often is they start to take information in by zigzagging. So if you have an explanatory title, something that summarizes the main points or the question that your visualization answers, then you provide context. Compare these titles to these. So now we have wolves kill 23% more pigs than the next biggest predator. Or after steel, bricks are the next strongest building material for wind resistance. I know that very often people feel a little bit uneasy about creating strongly worded titles. And they say to me, okay, but Lysanne, shouldn't the reader or the audience, shouldn't they decide what they find important? The reason that you are making a visualization, if you're in a commercial setting, is because you are the expert. You're writing or presenting because you are the expert. People look to you. And why would you let the audience do all the work when you are getting paid to do that? So help them. Write that key takeaway. See you later.